Come test drive this 2010 Toyota Prius. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded hatchback segment. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.